India is under a 21-day lockdown to fight the battle against coronavirus. This is the 19th day of the lockdown. Globally, coronavirus cases have reached up to 17,95,183 and 1,09,951 people have died. In India, as of now, there are total 8,447 active cases of coronavirus, whereas 765 people have either been cured, discharged or migrated. 273 people have died due to coronavirus in India. The number of deaths due to coronavirus is increasing at a rapid pace. On Sunday, 8 people died within few hours. In Jaipur, a 13-year-old corona-infected girl succumbed during the treatment. She also complained of typhoid. On the other hand, 2 infected people died on Sunday in Indore. There were 2 deaths in Pune. 1 death each occurred in Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh and Jharkhand. A youth living in Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh died in Delhi's Ram Manohar Lohia hospital on Sunday, while a 75-year-old man died in Gujarat. A 56-year-old man died at RIMS in Ranchi, Jharkhand. Earlier on Saturday, there were 36 deaths reported in India. Now let's move on to important news of the day. The color code for traffic lights, red, orange and green, will soon be used on the nation's map to mark COVID-19 and virus-free zones, and therefore people's movement can be adjusted accordingly. After a video conferencing with at least 13 state chief ministers yesterday, Prime Minister Modi had signaled that the lockdown will be extended. However, there will be relaxations in certain areas and cases to ensure that the survival of the economy as well. A government official said that the Prime Minister's formulation meant that the government may move towards a smart lockdown with strict constraints in affected district and partially lifting of restraints in unaffected district, along with the opening up of some sectors to meet the economic demands. Almost 3 weeks into a complete lockdown, out of all the 718 districts in India, half are already affected by the COVID-19 pandemic that has infected over 16 lakh people worldwide and killed over 1 lakh. According to the data shared by the Union Health Ministry, the highly infectious virus has spread to more than 210 new districts in a period of 10 days amidst the lockdown. The accelerated spread of the infection is evident in the explosion in cases across the nation, which doubled in a week's time. From nearly 3,500 patients last Sunday, India has reported 8,356 cases so far. According to the government data released this morning, while 160 districts were affected by the pandemic on March 29, the number rose to 284 on April 6. Over 364 districts are presently hit by the pandemic. A policeman's hand was chopped off and 2 other police officials were injured when a group of people allegedly attacked them in Punjab's Patiala district on Sunday. A group of 4-5 Nihangs, which are Sikhs armed with traditional weapons and dressed in loose blue top, were travelling in a vehicle and they were asked to stop at a vegetable market at around 6:15 am by the Mandi board officials. The Nihangs fled the scene after the attack but were arrested later. The global coronavirus pandemic will hit South Asia very hard, and the significant gains made in poverty alleviation in the region are likely to be wiped out due to the impact of the deadly disease, the World Bank warned on Sunday. In its twice-a-year regional update, the bank said that South Asian governments must ramp up action to curb the health emergency, protect their people, especially the poorest and most vulnerable, and set the stage for fast economic recovery. The latest report, South Asia Economic Focus, anticipates a sharp economic slump in each of the region's 8 countries caused by halting economic activity, collapsing trade, and greater stress in the financial and banking sectors.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.